Hello guys and welcome back. So we just recently done this building here at the back with external wall insulation, and now we just need to put some accessories back in, like the post. We have the post over here, and how difficult it is going to be to put something like that on a wall that has polystyrene on top. So that is all about. We have some fixings here especially made for this type of system. So these are something like row plugs, but are a little bit bigger, and that is going to help us to grab better in the polystyrene. Now I have even some smaller ones, this type here. I bought it from B&Q. I found a few. Usually it's very difficult to find stuff like this around. This one I bought it from Germany. But you can also find a shop that is going to supply this type of fixings for this type of system. So you will have to find shops that are going to sell this system here, which is external wall insulation. So let's just sign our holes, see where the post is going to go. I already spoken with the client where I should put the post. So as you can see, I already made some holes around here. What I've done, I just put the post exactly where I wanted. You need a level for that. Try to put it level. Okay, so after that I just use the big screw and just sign my holes where exactly they will need to go. So before I'm going to fit the fixings, I'm just going to cut a little bit. I'm doing that just because we have a mesh at the back, and that is not going to screw inside the mesh. We just need to screw these back into the wall. That is one. Okay, so next step is just screwing the box onto the wall. I'm going to use this type of screws. You can see it here. And it's going to go exactly here in the middle like this. Now we just have to make sure that everything is level. That's okay, and now we just have to tighten up everything. Now it's nice and steady. And level. Okay, so our post is ready for the postman to come and give us our post. You saw, it's not that difficult. We just need this type of fixings, and the job is going to be done quick and without any pain or headaches. I think that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye. Three 339, lucky number.